In this section, we are going to talk about the Welsh Corgis and Fairies. The Pembroke Welsh Corgi is known as an enchanted dog. I mean, look at it. Look at that face. You just know it has lots of secrets and magic pockets under that fur. It's believed they were born out of a sleeping fairy place and are a gift to mankind by the fairies. I really think that's true. In Welsh, the word cor translated means dwarf, and G translates to dog. So you put them together and the meaning of corgi is dwarf dog. The Welsh legends say that the fairies and the elves of Wales used the Welsh corgi to pull fairy coaches and tend to the fairy cattle. The fairy warriors rode the corgi like horses. Corgis are very smart dogs. I love working with them in my acupuncture practice. They're funny, they're loyal, they're excellent herders, and they're so smart. They have a sense of humor and they make excellent pets. Next time you're out and you see a corgi taking a walk with its owner, ask if it has any fairies riding upon its back.